to see the screen. Okay. What I did, I went into function locations, IH01. Okay.
Yes.
Now here I take the
Mm.
equipment installed, equipment hierarchy, then bomb explosion also.
Okay.
Bomb explosions. This is important. If you tick this, you can see bill of material. You can see the screen right now,
Okay.
huh? Yeah.
Okay.
Now to expand how
Yeah.
is the bill of material which you have created.
Okay.
Can you recollect? So in this
Mm.
we have added some text item, spanner, some
Okay.
multimeter also we have added something like that.
Okay.
Add. So we have to take all these things with us.
Okay.
So hollow shaft, what is this hollow shaft?
Mm.
What is this hollow shaft? Is a document, drawing. This is a
Okay.
drawing which you have attached. Drawing also you can
What did
attach.
it? What did you
I
say?
will show you the I will show you the bomb, then you will understand.
Yes. 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 So I was trying to create. I created just one material. So while I was trying to attach the material to the to bomb equipment bomb, then he started giving me errors that I cannot use stock item with the material type that I created. The material.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so
Ah,
I just before the training, I just changed it to non-stock item, and it seems to have created the bomb. So I'm
mm,
trying to see if I can
mm.
check it again. So
You do one thing. That is what I will tell you that. I
okay,
will tell you that. I will help you.
okay.
Bomb usage. I will just show you this bomb and I will then see.
Hmm.
Usage is 4.
Hmm.
So we have come up to here. Okay. Now, okay. This you got it. Huh? Now you have got
Yeah,
some
I got
problem.
to this place. Yeah, I got to this place. So
You got some
just move
problem
on.
with the material.
Yes, it seems as if the material, because I chose ROH standard material type.
Otherwise,
So
see, okay, I will create the material for you. You just give me. Uh,
okay, yeah. So
you
now
want these
it's
materials?
working.
You want
Yeah.
these
So
materials?
well, I can, but so let me send you a screenshot. So what, because so that you can see what I have done. So I created a material. Uh, so
Because
I think
see,
like two.
first you understand.
Okay.
First you understand.
Mm.
You don't have to create any material. You
Okay.
don't have to create. Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
I will tell you.
Yeah, you told me that
See, just
it's job
note
of the
down.
materials module.
Just yeah, just note down. You don't have to create any material. You go in this transaction, MM16,
Mm.
okay,
Okay.
and you write your plant. I don't know what is your plant.
Okay.
Plant number. What is the plant number?
One
One zero
zero three eight.
1038. Okay,
Yeah.
that is your
Yeah.
plant number. Now, what is your company code? That those things you should be very particular.
Okay.
His company code should be. I know those things. You have told me
Mm.
once. I wrote them. That's why.
Mhm.
I wrote everything. That's why. Because I know you will
Okay.
forget. So company
Complete code
code,
is 1006.
correct. 10006
6.
and controlling area is also same.
Yes.
Controlling area. Control area is also same. Same. 1006. This is important.
Okay.
Now you go in MM60. When
Okay.
you try this, you I am trying here.
Okay.
I am going into MM60.
Okay.
Acha. And another thing, material type in your case, material type in your case,
Okay.
material type. In your case, you take IRSA, ERSA. This is a,
Okay.
we have to take this material type, but I did not
Okay.
take this material type. I took a
Okay.
ROH because
Okay.
there is some configuration problem
Okay.
in this system. But
Okay.
in the system which you are operating, there may not be any configuration system.
Okay.
Sorry, there may not be any configuration problem. So you can try
Okay.
with ERSA.
Okay.
But with
Okay.
these parameters,
Okay.
you keep in mind these parameters, like
Okay.
say, I will log into your system then. Okay, I will
Okay.
just log into your system. It will not take much time anyway. This problem should be solved. Now I will log into your system. You gave me the login.
Yeah, give it.
So I am logging into your system. Identification number is 23. And
Do I need to log out? Will I log out?
you can log out if you want, otherwise don't log out. I will
Okay.
automatically log out.
Okay.
Even if you don't log out, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
చిన్న బెల్లం వేస్తాను చిన్న బెల్లం వేస్తాను బ్యాలెన్స్ అవుతుంది
See, if you are logging, I can do like this. Then you will be logged out.
Okay.
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 Now, what I said, MM60 is the transaction. See, MM60. Okay.
Yes.
Now it is telling plant. Plant is 1038. Okay.
Yes.
That you are giving material type, IRSA, ERSA.
Okay. Okay.
That is the standard,
Mhm.
SAP standard. See, spare parts.
Okay.
Spare parts. That we should take actually. But
Okay.
in that system, there is a problem. That is why
Okay.
I was taking ROH. ROH is not our material.
Okay.
Anyway, let us see. See, there are no materials.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
There are no
Mhm.
materials here.
Okay.
That is the problem. Okay. Now you take ROH. ROH.
Okay.
Even if ROH is there, that will do. See, there are, it is created by
These are the
you.
ones I created. Yes, I created them.
Uh, mm. But it's not working.
Yeah, it's working now. You can please navigate to the functional location. But what I'm saying is that
You,
I had to
you
use
can,
non-stock.
okay. You have to use non-stock. It is asking you to
Yeah,
non-stock.
because he kept on telling me that
Okay. What is
stock
the
item cannot
equipment?
work.
Okay.
Just
What
if
is
you
your functional requirement structure?
QS
QS.
Yes.
QS. No. See, I should take this also.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. You see this
Where
one?
is the? I
These
think
are
you
the
have
this
made a
is
function location here. Sorry,
yes.
equipment bomb here.
Yes, I
You
just
have
made it
made.
about maybe like 10 minutes ago. So that was what I was explaining to you that I was having problem with it until I changed it to non-stock item.
Let me see what is the problem. IB02, I think. Because ROH is a non-stock item.
Okay.
ROH is a non-stock item. You make the material in ERSA, then it will not give you that error.
Okay.
I don't know. I have to check the enter number.
Sorry.
Should be IB03, no? Let me see IB03. Everything is okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, so, yes. So yes. So I have to
non-stock
make it
item.
non. If,
You have to make it non-stock item
yes.
because you have created that in ROH. That
Okay.
is
Okay. That's the problem.
that is why it is asking like that. I think maybe that is the reason.
Ca- Can I change it back to
But
ERSA?
anyway, you can see, you can make it stock also. Let me
Okay.
see. It should not happen like that. Let me try.
Okay.
I should go and change actually. Okay, I will go and change. What it is telling? Enter change number. BOM has history requirement. Enter change number. Okay, one. This has got some history requirement. Not exist. It is asking some change number.
Very clever.
District number to 911. Nine 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 4 9s. Maybe it is 0001. Your case. There is something wrong in the configuration.
Okay.
It is not going into change. Okay, fine. I will say what is the change number. This and plant is not valid. It is telling. Plant may be different. This equipment and this plant are different. this equipment is not given this plant. I mean, you have not made this equipment as per that plant.
Okay. Oh, okay. I made it for you.
Company code 1038 is okay. I will not do this plant.
Then we should create another.
I don't know.
Form.
There is some problem.
Okay.
We have to check what is the problem. Or we'll make another bomb in this.
Hmm.
And material also we have to change. Okay, I will make some materials for you. Spare parts. Okay. Otherwise, also it should work actually. It is giving some different error. It is asking me to enter the change number and all that.
Okay.
I don't I don't know why it is asking me that. We have to see if there is anything wrong with the configuration because it wants to maintain the history of that bomb. Otherwise, you can work in this client if you want.
Okay.
I will give you my login. I have got this login.
Hmm.
You can work in
So,
this.
so I went to the training center yesterday. So I was speaking to Juvali, my training coordinator, regarding whether I will have after the training, will I have access to the server because I'm planning to do a certification. So I will need access to the server just to be able to continue to practice for a while. So she said I should
That
speak to you. But
who told me to speak to me?
the training coordinator here in Qatar. I went to the training center. I went to the training center yesterday.
Oh, acha, okay.
Yeah, so she
He
said
told me
I
to
should
speak to
let you,
me.
that I
No,
should let you know
actually, actually, you should.
as my
You can speak to. You can write it in this. I mean,
in
you,
the group.
you can communicate with Mr. Amit
Um,
or Mr. Sauraj. They will
okay,
give you
okay,
the server. They can provide
okay,
you. They can
okay,
provide. There should not be an issue.
okay.
I think
Uh,
your server is up to October, I think,
well,
mid of October.
yeah, I'm hoping so. I'm hoping
Huh.
so. So also,
You want
I
you
don't know.
want to extend
I,
that.
I,
You want to extend for some more time. You can do that.
Yes, I want to be able to read and then practice and then go and do the certification. I want to do a certification so that I will have a certificate. I'll be a certified SAP. So I want to ask, I mean, which of the certification is related to plant and maintenance? What's the name of the certification that I should do after this training? Because I've been checking and I don't know the exact one.
I can't answer this actually. There are many certification bodies that way. But you will get the correct answer from again Amit or Suraj, because
Okay.
because because they are coordinating these things,
Okay. Okay.
certification and all these things.
Okay.
They are coordinating this
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
SAP
Okay.
certification. Yeah,
Okay.
they can advise you. But after this course, you will not get any certificate after undergoing this course.
I think the adults will give me a certificate. They will give me a certificate.
EduTech will give you a certificate, no, or not? I don't know.
They should, they,
You ask them. You ask Mr. Amit all these questions. You
okay,
can
I'll ask.
ask him,
Okay. 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 All right. All right. No
because
problem.
I
I
don't
will.
know.
I
I don't know
understand.
about these things.
I understand.
I have been just asked to take the training.
Okay.
That's
No
all.
problem. Yeah. I will confirm. I will
These are
confirm with you.
administrative things.
I understand.
So we were. If you have problem with
Mm-hmm.
your server, then you can practice with my server. I will give you the
Okay.
login details
Okay. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
if you want like that.
Yeah, no problem.
If
I
you are
would.
if you are having a problem like this,
Okay.
I will because you will be having problems there because it is not configured. I have
Okay.
configured this actually. We
Okay.
have to configure it, otherwise we
Okay.
will have problems. I have already configured this,
Okay.
so
Okay.
we are not having any problem.
Okay.
Anyway, you can take this login. My login you can take. You can practice in my login.
Okay. Okay. Maybe you help me send it after the class. I'll send it to my WhatsApp. So check.
Anyway, there should not be any problem in your system. I will try to solve it, whatever it is.
Okay.
What is happening, I will just check that.
Okay.
Materials also I will give you.
Okay.
Well, hence, we'll see whether that works. If that works, it's fine, isn't it? If it works, it's
Yeah.
fine. Then
What did?
you can do in your own system,
Okay. Okay.
because your system is advanced as for
Yeah.
HANA.
Yeah. Yes. What
And
you
that way, as for
which
HANA
one are you using?
2023, which is most advanced.
Okay. Are you using S for HANA? I mean, you are using ECC, SAP ECC.
Yeah, ECC. This is ECC.
Okay.
That is why I took your login, because those things are not accessible here. That Fiori
Okay.
apps and all that,
Okay. Okay.
we cannot configure here. We cannot.
Mm,
This system is not supporting those
okay. Okay. Okay.
those things. Anyway, we are here. We are bill of materials.
We don't know.
Acha, you have. Acha. In this way, we have done. We did not get, so we have to. These things have to be done. Fine. I will check tomorrow whether it's possible.
Okay.
Yeah, if I have time, I will check them in your system.
Okay.
Let's see,
Okay. Okay.
because these things also should be,
Okay.
these things should be correct actually. This plant, if we have any
Okay.
problem with this, there will be many problems. Anyway, we'll check. Don't worry. Now,
So
where are we? We
that's pretty good.
are IB03, that thing, no? Yeah, IB03. You were here. So equipment was where was equipment. Oh, I didn't write equipment here. Oh, hmm. Compressor 3. Okay, this was the equipment. See, here it has a change number, but it is not asking me. Because it is configured like that. I want to change it. I want to change it actually. If I go and change, one thousand. Oh, see, I can go. It is not asking me. Any change number and all that. It is not asking me. Something is configured there. So here now, what I want to do, and up to here it is okay. Now I want to add a, what is that called? Mm, assembly. I told you what is assembly, isn't it? Assembly is, you can say, you can just imagine that, see, the machines are very complicated. Now, suppose there is a big machine, complicated, say, railway engine. Railway engine, we will take another example. Let's take the example of a truck. Now, this truck will have so many parts, isn't it? About hundreds of parts. Now, I cannot list all the parts here, isn't it? Now, what I will do, I can uh, I can divide the truck. I can divide the truck into parts. This truck I can divide into parts. Okay. I will do.
Okay.
I will tell that one part is say that back part. What is that called? Trolley or something? I don't. Trolley. Trolley part. This trolley part will consist of the chassis, tires, all those things. It will consist. Now another part I can divide it as engine. Engine. Something like that. I can divide, isn't it? Now this trolley will have. This is just a imaginary. This does not have any. It does not have any material code. This does not have any material code. So it is called assembly. So this people will create the assembly. Now I am creating the assembly. I am creating the assembly. What was our example? Our thing was Acha, we were making for this compressor, no? So for compressor, instead of taking example of truck, let us take, we have to take compressor now, not truck. For compressor, we will say that the electrical part, which is the motor part, this is one part, and the other one, mechanical part, we will say impeller part. This is another. I divided this compressor in two parts because compressor is a complex machine. If I list out the
Yes, I
space,
know.
it will be thousands of spares. No, so we have to divide like this the equipment so
Okay.
that it will become easy for us.
Okay.
So in motor is a assembly, impeller is a assembly. So I will create this assembly,
Okay.
and under this we can have many parts, like that. Now for that purpose, I am creating, but this is again the job of people. Here we have industry sector, like chemical, IBAU. IBAU, that is the material code. IBAU, material assembly. That is it. This is not plant specific actually. This does not need any plant because there is no cost or anything. You are not going to purchase. Okay, number I will add some number. One I will add here. 300. We add 800. Yeah, it took. 6, 7, 6, 8, 11. No. Oh, it is taking. The 11, 8, 10 it is taking. Fine. So I am creating this material, okay? Basic data 1 and basic data 2 are enough for me. So I will tell that this is a impeller assembly. Impeller. Impeller. Basic unit is each. Material group, compressors or something we have to give. Terms. Uterus. Sir. No, found. Components. Computer equipment. Vehicles. The vehicle. Braking system. Suspension. Safety. Hydraulic. Navigation. Electrical components. It's not electrical component, it's a mechanical component. Com- and Yeah, I got this. Good. So this is okay. Basic data too. That's all. That's all. There is no other thing to worry. So I created this. This is our impeller, A10. This is external number. Don't get confused. System is not giving the number here. I am giving the number. So it is external numbering. So what I will do now I will make, again I will have to go to BOM. We were making on this is the equipment. Compressor equipment is this. And our impeller is A10. A10. Okay. Otherwise, again and again, I will be wasting time searching for the equipment. That is why I am copying there. So here I will put impeller. Now here you are watching me, no? Oladapo. Oladapo. Oladapo.
Yeah.
What I should write here, what I should take. Can you see this screen?
Plant. Yes, I'm seeing it.
I should take
Not
PM structure element.
okay.
PM structure element.
Why?
I.
Okay.
And A10, which I have created just now, and 1. The rest of the things it will come. Okay, it has come. It has taken.
Okay.
So it has taken. A10 is an impeller. Okay. But it is not a material. I mean, it is an assembly. It is not a component. You can't purchase that. Let's save it.
Okay.
Now let's check. I had 01. I had 01. It's fine. See, this impeller has come. A10. See, its color is different.
Yeah.
Color is different.
That is an assembly.
See what it is telling here.
Okay.
It is telling that it is a material, but its color is different. It is
Okay.
considering that as a material, but its color is different. This
Okay.
this is assembly. You cannot purchase this in the market. I mean, you cannot make a purchase requisition or anything for this. Now, see, I am clicking this. This is color key. This is the colors. See, what is this PM assembly? This color is PM assembly. So this is PM assembly. This color is material. These are all materials. And this is not material. The one which is not colored is nothing. It is only for our reference. This is for our
Yeah.
reference. That's all. Okay. Now, this impeller may be having the impeller may be is having many other parts in it. So that parts I have to account for. Okay. So what I will do, impeller. Now I will make a material bomb. Now just now I was talking about equipment bomb. Now this is a new thing, material bomb. This is the material bomb. So material bomb. This is the T code CH01 to create the material bomb. I am creating on A10. Okay. Now I will list out the components. I have some components already with me. Yeah. Say bolt and nuts I will have. Anything you can take. Bolt and nuts. For the time being, I will keep this bolt and nuts. Say I will tell 4. And some gaskets also I will put here. For the time being, okay. This is bearing also I will put here. Bearing is there. These two I will put. There are bearings. One bearing will be enough. Gaskets. So 4 gaskets. Then I'll click yes. So this is the bill of material. This is the bill of material of impeller. Okay. I will save it. In the header also you can see this is the thing. Uh, Basic quantity is 1. So those are the parts of one impeller that means okay. Item. So items are there, sub items also you can enter. If there is a bigger part and there are smaller parts, also those sub items also you can enter in here. But let us restrict to this and save it. So this is the material bomb of IBA. Okay. Now let us see IH01. Yeah. See, under A10 you have many materials. See, under A10. And under bearing you have coupling also. Because bearing itself is a under this part, this bearing part also, you have another part coupling. So like this you can make the material bomb. This itself is not a material. This is for our convenience. We have made that. Impeller is having this, motor is having this. That way we can uh, have a better bill of materials. So this is how material bomb is created. So you have any questions? Do you have any question? The problem which you are facing, that I will see. If I have free time, I will check up that problem.
Okay.
It is asking for some. It is asking for change number and all that. Why it is asking, I don't know. I have to check up. I will create a material. Some materials I will create under IRSA, and then I will see. If it is still asking, then I will go into the backend and I will see where the problem lies. So for today, this is we can stop here. We can continue from we can continue this bill of material tomorrow further.